Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a beautiful weekend. Thank you for being here and welcome back to another video. Today's video we will be showing you how to create a DIY boxwood hedge planters using extremely budget-friendly materials such as wood scraps from a store clearance section and unused wooden pallets. This DIY is extremely fast and easy to do and will add to any outdoor space a lush of greenery and beauty while also adding a privacy or the perfect way to hide a space like our pool plumbing area that stands out like a sore thumb. Before we continue with the DIY, this video is sponsored by Xmcosy. Xmcosy is a premier destination for high-quality indoor and outdoor lighting solutions. They are a brand that is dedicated to providing customers with exceptional lighting products that meet their needs. They believe that lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the ambience of any space, which also has always been a belief in our home lighting needs. They set out to design and produce lighting solutions that are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. With years of experience in the lighting industry, they have developed a reputation for excellence and innovation. At Xmcosy, they understand that every space is unique, which is why they offer a wide range of lighting products that cater to different needs and preferences, such as solar pathway lights, landscaping lights, wall lights, and so much more. Brighten up your day with colorful lights or dimmed lights, just like this 123 feet string lights that they have sent us. That is smart color changing outdoor string lights that gives the perfect ambience that we need in our backyard. This string light is a smart control and color changing outdoor string lights, which is perfect for creating a festive and fun atmosphere in any outdoor space. You can simply control the string light with the smart app and voice control capabilities that makes it easy to customize the lighting to suit your mood. We love that it's weatherproof and shatterproof design with flexibility and made of heavy-duty cable wire and tough plastic harmless material bulbs to withstand any bad weather. I love that we can also have it set to white colored lights and has 9 built-in scenes to automatic for that perfect light ambience. Commitment to quality is evident in the materials that they use and attention to details they put into their every product. They source only the finest materials and use state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques to produce lighting products that are durable, energy efficient, and long-lasting. Their products are designed to not only look good but also perform good, saving you money on energy cost while providing the perfect lighting experience. To set the mood for your creativity, let Xmcosy Smart Lighting bring your outdoor space to life. Whether you are hosting a barbecue, enjoying a relaxing evening under the stars, or simply spending time with loved ones, their smart lights will take your outdoor experience to the next level. Their wish is to create unforgettable memories with you with the products they can provide. Whether you're looking for indoor lighting to brighten up your living space or outdoor lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere in your backyard, Xmcosy got you covered. Embrace hominess with Xmcosy by experiencing their smart lights into your home. If you would also like to have this awesome lights to create that perfect mood to your outdoor living, I will provide Xmcosy's info and links on the description box below. Thank you Xmcosy for partnering with me for today's video. Now on to the DIY. We have been wanting to create a wall to hide our pool plumbing equipments and electrical box since our pool has been finished, as this area has stood out like a sore thumb to the rest of this outdoor living space. I wanted to purchase an already made box hedge planter, but saw that it was pretty pricey, so my husband decided to make one customizable to our needs, and we want to show you how we have done that to give you ideas if you would also like to create one for yourself. The first step he did was to cement the corners of the area where he will place the wood pallets to give the pallets security and sturdy place to stand on. It wasn't important to us if the cement wasn't laid perfect. What was important is that the wooden pallets was secured by the cement and wouldn't sink down in case of heavy rain. The hubby used Quikrete cement, and all that is needed to create the cement is to add water and mix it. He allowed a full day to have the cement fully dry before proceeding to the next step in building our hedge planter. We knew we wouldn't have enough wood boards to create the size we were going for, and Home Depot has a section to buy clearance wood boards that helped us to save some money. The hubby used 2 pallets for this DIY he assembled and nailed them together and added wood boards to create the length to hide what we wanted hidden. He then used white panels to create a look of a planter box and artificial boxwood plant to create that lush greenery to complete the boxwood hedge planter, which you will see later on in the video. We are extremely happy and love how it all came together, and I'm proud of the hubby for putting my vision to life. Please continue watching till the end to see how it all came together and for the final reveal. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed this video and was able to get ideas on how to create your very own Boxwood hedge planner. If it did, please kindly give this video a huge thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed yet, I hope today you consider doing so. Our channel is all about home makeovers, DIYs, tips and tricks, and so much more. We would love to have you be part of the Glam family. Have an amazing week to come. God bless you all abundantly. Bye!